make every heart thy home, O Christ, dwell in us all. Come near to every wandering soul, and hear the faintest call. Make whole the hearts that sorrow bears, and heal the wounds of years. Bring comfort to the lonely ones, and turn their grief to tears of joy. Make welcome every stranger, Lord, the outcast and the poor. Let none be cast beyond thy grace, nor barred from mercy's door. Thou didst embrace the sinful soul, and call the lost thy friend. Thy mercy sought the wandering one, and loved them to the end. Upon the cross thy arms were spread, thy heart was open wide. Thy wounded hands embraced the world, and drew us to thy side. Thou didst descend into the grave, yet death could not prevail. Thou rose to bring the dead to life, and make thy mercy known. No heart beyond thy love shall lie, no soul forever roam. Thy shepherd shall pursue us all, until all hearts are home. Then every knee shall gladly bow, and every tongue thy goodness sing. For every heart shall know thy love, and welcome Christ its King. Oh love, make every heart thy home, till all thy work is done, till every soul is healed and whole, and all